Hey everyone, welcome back to Period Hobby Homestead. Sorry we've been a bit quiet for the last couple of weeks. Things have been rough. It's not been fun, it's been tough, it's been a little hectic to say the least. But now, let me just quickly do a little short video just for a start, just to say we're still good, we're still going on. I'm busy with a project here, fixing something for someone. And I had to do a little dowel pin nail size piece of wood, but now my dowel pins are big. The ones I have are this size, about a third of an inch, 10 millimeters, somewhere there. So it's too big for a nail. So now I figured, how do I do this? And as you know, I like using my drill for things that it's not supposed to be doing. So this is what I did. Let me just drop this down. There we go. See if this thing pulls. Alright, that should give you a decent view. So now, taking the carpet knife and dowel pin, start the drill. That way you essentially turn your drill into a quick makeshift lathe. Oh, I'm cutting my head off. Yeah. Alright, so that's about it for now. This stand is not built for staying sturdy. But yes, you can look forward to another video fairly soon. I think we're still good, we're still carrying on. Thanks for everyone who keeps watching. Go on the cows for comments. Yeah, we're still here, we're still trying, we're getting there. We're getting there.